The following is a short educational video that covers the W-Die. Always remove the battery from tool before installing dies. The following tools are compatible to use with W-Dies: MD6, MD7, PAT MD6, PAT 500 SJ, and PAT 600. Depress the die button and center die into die holder and release die button. Ensure die is interlocked with die holder by moving back and forth. The W28K die is a cutting W-Die. Install the same way you would with any other W-Die. W-Die crimps are UL and CSA listed when used with the BURNDY engineered system. W-Dies are sold separately and in W-Die kits. Thank you for watching our short instructional video on W-Dies.